Hi guys, welcome back. Today is our lower body day and we're going to focusing on our squat and lunges. Total will be have 5 exercises and will be have 3 rounds, and the work ratios is 45-second work and 15-second rest. By the time you finish the 3 rounds, it'll be about 20 minutes. That's all about, and you'll be really feel that your lower body is really pumped up. So that's all about. Are you ready? Let's go!
3, 2, 1.
Pussy by association, pussy by association, pussy by association. Now you look the deputy mad in my brown.
Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown.
Listen here, buddy. Pussy by association, pussy by association, pussy by association, pussy by association. Now you look the deputy mad at my brown. Pussy by association, pussy by association, pussy by association. Now you look the deputy mad at my brown.
Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Problems in the paper. Put my problems paper. Dial up the deputy mad at my brown.
Association, pussy by association, pussy by association. Now
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Yeah, show him I can still rap though.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it was the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got $1 for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a one-on-one. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want that check, but can you make it stretch?
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this business for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails, like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in, I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going. I love it when you put that thing in motion. I got some things I wanna show you. Just let me in it, I bet I could have you floating. Pull up to the crib, blow up your spot, I'll make you miss it. Where you looky lost, I know you got them feeling sicko. Throwing up them bands, sit back and watch them Billies trickle. The way she do the vibes, it got me focused on that center. I hit it to your tits, come back down to keep it real. So good, I lock it down, I got a crystal for that finger. Got them bitches living, but that shit ain't no thing, cause I mean it when I say I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down and fuck with me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. I'm with you all the way.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no,